Dissident. A person who strongly disagrees with and criticizes their government. Dissidents were often imprisoned by the security police. Dispatch. To send somebody or something somewhere for a special purpose. Troops have been dispatched to the area. Intransigence. Unwillingness to change your behaviour or opinions. Negotiations collapsed in the face of managerial intransigence. Pastoral. Related to the countryside. The farm was a pastoral scene. Concede. To admit that something is true. He was forced to concede that there might be difficulties. Manifold. Many, of many different types. The possibilities were manifold. Punitive. Intended as punishment. Punitive action will be taken against the rioters. Nonplussed. Surprised and confused, speechless. Branson seemed a little nonplussed at Ellie's refusal. Salacious. Encouraging sexual desire, or containing too much sexual detail. The papers concentrated on some salacious aspects of the case. Behove. Right, or necessary for somebody to do something. It behoves us to study these findings carefully.